once your child has learned all the sounds of the alphabet, what next? Well, that's when you want to go to lesson 2. And the way you teach this lesson is you first have them go through the vowels. That's right. That's right. Very good. Have them start singing with you these 2-letter blends with the short vowels, such as ba, ba, bi, ba, ba, da, da, di, da, da, fa, fa, fi, fa, fa, ga, ga, gi, ga, ga. And have them follow along, learning the 2-letter blends this way by singing a song. And then what you want to have them do is go ahead and go down the page so that they can learn the 2-letter blends this way. Okay,
Ba.
good job.
Da. Da.
Da.
Da. Da.
Good job.
Da.
Good job.
Ha.
Good job.
Da.
Good job.
Ta. Na.
Nah, good job. What's this one?
Wa.
Very good, Ra. What's this one?
Da.
It's
Da.
de. Good job, de. What's What's that one?
Wa.
Wet. That's right, wet. What's this one?
Da.
What is it?
Wa.
Pa. That's right.
Outdoor.
That's right. Good job. Good job. Yeah, pat your back. Good job. Good job. Okay. What is this one? Here you go. What's that one, buddy?
Wa.
There. That's right. Oops, sorry, buddy. There you go, bud. Okay, what's this one? What's this one?
Ha.
Good job. Ha. What's that one?
Da.
Ta. That's right. Now that your child knows the 2-letter blends, you can teach them how to spell these blends. And you would think that a 1 to 3-year-old would not be able to spell, but you will be surprised at how well they will be able to do this. I will go ahead and show you in this video. Job! Can you make it ri? Ri. I. Ri. Good job! Can you make it ra? Ra. Good job, buddy. Can you make it raw? Raw? Good job. Can you make it ruh? Ruh? Good job. Can you make it re?
I need down.
Okay, one more. Do re, Re. Good job, buddy. You're amazing. So now that they know all these 2-letter blends, now you can go ahead and teach them the lessons. And what's nice about these lessons is they start with the 2-letter blends, such as ra, ra, ri, ra, 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 ri, ra, ra. So that way you can just cover it up with your hand and show them that these words are not scary at all. They're exactly what they've already learned. And basically all they've got to do is just finish this word and go red, or red. And this is how you teach them how to read 3-letter words. And as you're going through each of these lessons, you want to use your downloadable tiny letters so that they can spell these. I'll show a video of that also.
Bar. Jar.
Good job.
Bar.
Good job.
Car.
Good job.
Tar.
Good job.
Par.
Par.
Star.
Far. Good job, Ellie. What's this, honey? Right there. Aww. And what's this right here? What's this? What's that? Good job. Okay, now make it fought. Can you make it fought? Fought? Very good. Good job. Can you make it thought? I thought about you. The thought. Good job. thought about you. Okay, can you make it sod? Sod? Good job, buddy.